Hi, here we have a trigonometry board problem. Okay, let's go over the question. The angle of elevation of the top of the building at a distance of 50 meter from its foot on a horizontal plane is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the building. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so to answer this question, first let's fix a graph for the given information. So we have a horizontal plane. Okay, let me draw an horizontal plane. So this is a horizontal plane, and let me draw a vertical line which represents the height of the building. Okay, this is a vertical line. Since this line is vertical and this one is horizontal, the angle over here must be right angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, so here this is the foot of the building, and we have to consider a point which is 50 meter from its foot on horizontal plane. So this is horizontal plane. We have to consider a point. Let's say this is point C, and this point is 50 meter away from its foot. And let me consider this is point B, and this is A. Okay, so AB represents the height of the building. Okay, C is the point on the horizontal plane, which is 50 meter away from the foot of the building. Okay, so here at the point which is 50 meter away from the foot of the building, the angle of elevation is given to the top of the building, that is 60 degree. So now let's draw 60 degree angle measure at C, because the question says 60 degree. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building at a distance of 50 meter from its foot. So this is the foot. I have taken a point C 50 meter from its foot. At this point, the angle of elevation to the top of the building A is 60 degree, because A represents the top of the building. Okay, now so clearly it's a right triangle, and we have to find the length of the leg AB in this right triangle, because AB represents the height of the building. Okay, in this right triangle, considering this angle measures 60 degree, what is the name of the side AB? So that is the opposite side, because if we consider a particular interior angle measure in a right triangle, I mean a particular interior angle measure other than 90 degree, the side which is opposite to that angle measure is called opposite side. And the side which is opposite to this right angle, so it's called hypotenuse. And the third side is called adjacent side. Okay, now here I know the length of adjacent side, that is 50. I have to find the length of opposite side, which represents the height of the building. So we have to consider the trigonometric ratio in which we have opposite side and adjacent side. So among the three basic trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, we have opposite side and adjacent side in tangent. So we have tangent theta equals to opposite side over adjacent side. So instead of theta, what do we have? We have 60 degree angle measure, because considering this angle measure 60 degree, we named this side as opposite. Okay, so tangent 60 degree equals to for opposite side I do not know the length. That is what I have to find. So AB represents the opposite side, and actually BC represents adjacent side, but we know the length of adjacent side, that is 50, so we can plug in 50 for adjacent side. Okay, so either from trigonometric ratio table or unit circle, we can get the value of tangent 60 degree. So because 60 degree is a special angle. Okay, so the value of tangent 60 degree from trigonometric ratio table is square root of 3, which is equal to AB over 50. Okay, so my aim is to find the value of AB, I mean the length of AB. So for that, I have to get rid of this denominator 50. So I multiply both sides by 50. So 50 will cancel out. So I get AB equals to 50 times square root of 3. So I can multiply these two values using calculator. Okay, let me do it. Using calculator, when I multiply these two values of 50 and square root of 3, I'm getting 86.6025, and it keeps going. So, but the question says we have to round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So when I go to the hundredth means this is 10th place, this is 100th place. So whenever I want to round any value to the nearest hundredth, I have to look at the digit at the thousandth place. If it is 5 or greater than 5, I have to add 1 to the hundredth place. But here the digit at the 10th place, 1000th place is less than 5. So simply we can ignore all these digits. We can take 86.60. So already this measurement is given in meters. So we have to write this measurement also in meters. So we get AB equal to 86.60 meters. That is the height of the building is 86.60 meters.